Hey everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. I am back with another Facebook tutorial in which we will see how to create a poll on Facebook. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to check my other Facebook tutorials, then just tap on this I button. Now without wasting your time, let's start our video. For creating a poll on Facebook, you must have a Facebook page. Okay, so first of all, we will just open Facebook and we will go to our profile section, and here you can see I have two pages. Let's suppose that I just want to create a poll by using this page, so I will just tap on it. At the top in the write something option, just tap on it, and if you scroll down, then here there is an option of poll. You just have to tap on this option. For example, I just want to ask a question about my page status. I will ask my audience. Okay, after asking my question, I will write my options. Obviously the options will be yes or no. After that, select the specific time after which you want to finish your poll. For example, I will select 1 day, click on this next and click on publish. That's it. If I come back to my Facebook page section, here you can see that I have created a poll. That's all for now. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.